you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you guys. We recently got the new Samsung Z phones, and so I got one, and then also Hubby got one. If you want to see my unboxing, I'll go ahead and link it up here for you guys to go check that video out. But today I'm unboxing his phone and his accessories. You guys, we were able to get these through the Samsung trade-in deal. So like, we're trading in our stuff. We traded in our stuff to get, you know, this new stuff. So it's going on right now. If you're interested in getting it, you got to go through the deal to get your best bundle. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you all like this video, and check out some of my other videos while you're here. All right, let's get into this unboxing. All right, you guys, so for the start of the show, we have the, oh, this tape is sticking. We have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and this is the bigger version. Yeah, I have the smaller version, but he has the big version. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, he's already opened up the tape. Somebody was impatient. Let's open it up. And this is what it looks like. Sorry for the glare. You guys are going to see my tripod, but that's okay. You guys, check this out. So big. And now for what you all came for, the fold. Let's take this plastic off. And let's try that again. What? Super, super cool. All right, let's see what else is in the box. I think it's just your standard stuff. Yep, you have your standard pin key there. Got a little flyer thing there. And we've got the charging cord, of course, and then the quick start guide. So that all comes in there. Y'all. All right, next thing he has are these cases. Let's open them up, see what they look like. He has this half case, and let's see, use this half case just like so. You can flip it open, but I would assume if you're using the half case, you're just going to use it like this. And this is also a screen right here. So you would just use it most of the time unopened. Oh, it's not a half case. My bad. Here's the other half. Yeah, I thought that was kind of strange. Definitely want to have a bezel for the front so that you don't mess up the front part of the screen. So yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. So now we're going to open up the other case and check that one out. This one is a flip cover with the pen. And y'all, I forgot to mention how this case feels. It feels super, super smooth and sleek. It's like got this silicone feel, but it just feels really, really nice and smooth in the hand. Really, really nice. All right, let's open this one up. This one is more like a booklet. Not sure what that is in there. Let's take it out and see. Oh, these are, I think, tips for the S Pen. That's what you said? Okay, these are tips for the S Pen. And this is the S Pen here. And it says right up there, fold edition. So that's that. Let's take the phone out of this case and put it in the new case. Okay, so here's the case out of the box. And we're just gonna go ahead and sit it in there. They snap in very, very easily. And let's see here. Let's fold that over. It's like a portfolio type of deal. And this is where the pen goes. So let's slip that in there. There was a little click there to make sure it's in there securely. Okay. This I think would take a little bit of getting used to, because this kind of slides out as you open it up. But then, you know, when you have the phone just open like this, the case just opens like that. I don't know, it's just kind of weird to me. But I guess the user will get used to it. But that is the other case. And this one is not as smooth as the other one. It's still kind of smooth, but this one has some texture to it. But the other one is like really, really baby smooth. So yeah. All right, let's see what else he has. A super fast wall charger. More tape. Okay, got it open. Well, this is definitely a heavier brick than what I'm normally used to holding. So I guess, you know, the technology in here is gonna make it a super fast charging brick. All right, and then one of the last things he has is this wireless charger trio. You can charge 3 things all at once. As you can see up there, you have your watch, your phone, and what's that little thing?
The watch.
No, I know that.
And the earbud.
Oh, the earbuds. Yeah, the earbuds is what this little thing is. I wasn't sure what that was. All right, so we finally got that open. That tape is really hard to get off sometimes. All right, and this is what our wireless charger trio looks like. Let's take the plastic off of that. Right? And then we have another super fast charger, and then of course the wire to plug it in. Yep, so that is that. And then the last thing we have are these 2 smart tags. It's they're 1 pack each, but this is how his bundle came. So it came with everything that you see here, and I'll just open one of these just for the sake of the video. But these smart tags, if you don't know what these are like locators. So like if you lose your keys or something like that, and you know, if you lose them, you can kind of track it down on your phone, as long as this tag is attached to whatever it is that you lost. All right, so we got that open. Let's just see what these look like. Looks exactly like the picture. It's just a little, kind of like a key fob type of deal. So yep, so that is it, you guys. That is it for the unboxing of the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was just like a basic unboxing, but this is like one of the new kids on the block. So if you're interested in it, go ahead and check out Samsung or your local phone dealer to get you one. And remember, we did this on the Samsung trade-in deal. So when you do that, you can kind of pick a bundle and, you know, see what you're gonna get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And hopefully my husband will do a review on the phone itself. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.
Get my phone.
Bye.
And I lose it. I'm